Warning, your private data might be at risk. Apple just removed its most secure encryption for UK users. That means your iCloud data is no longer fully protected, and the government might be watching. But don't worry, in this video, we'll break it all down and show you exactly how to keep your data safe. Stick around for life-saving security tips, easy solutions, and some good old-fashioned digital survival tactics. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect. We're a social enterprise based in Glasgow, dedicated to helping people level up their digital skills and stay safe online. Part of our profits go towards free ed classes and befriending events in the community. If you want to stay smart, stay secure, and stay ahead in the digital world, make sure to subscribe and stick with us, because today we're talking about the biggest data security controversy of the year. So what's happening? Apple's Advanced Data Protection, ADP, was a feature that let users fully encrypt their iCloud data, so that even Apple couldn't access it. But now, if you live in the UK, you can't activate this feature anymore. Why? Because the UK government wants access to your data. They issued a request under the Investigatory Powers Act, IPA, demanding the ability to access iCloud backups. Apple refused to build a security backdoor because that would allow hackers, cybercriminals, and even rogue governments to exploit it. So instead of complying, Apple just turned it off for UK users. No more end-to-end encryption for your iCloud backups. What this means for you, your iCloud data can now be accessed by Apple. If law enforcement gets a warrant, Apple can hand over your files. Your private messages, photos, and documents are no longer truly private. But wait, there's more. This move sets a dangerous precedent, because if Apple bows down to the UK, other countries might start making similar demands. Your data privacy is at risk, not just in the UK, but worldwide. But don't panic. We've got solutions. Let's talk about how you can take back control of your privacy. Step 1. Stop using iCloud for sensitive data. Apple can now access your iCloud backups. So don't store anything private there. What not to back up to iCloud? Personal documents, private conversations, sensitive photos, videos. Where to store them instead? Use a privacy-focused cloud service. Proton Drive, Swiss-based end-to-end encryption, sync.com, zero-knowledge encryption, meaning even they can't see your data. Tresorit, military-grade security. Local backup is your best friend. External hard drive plus encryption, safe and sound data use BitLocker, Windows or FileVault, Mac for extra protection. Step 2. Switch to a secure messaging app. Your messages might not be as secure as you think. Instead, use Signal, fully encrypted, no data logs. Telegram, secret chats, messages. Self-destruct session, no phone number required, anonymous chatting. Step 3. Encrypt your emails. If you're using iCloud Mail, Gmail, or Outlook, stop. Try these instead. Proton Mail. Free, encrypted, and even the company can't read your emails. Tutanota. Open source, private, and based in Germany. Step 4. Use a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN hides your location and encrypts your internet traffic, so no one, not your ISP, the government, or nosy hackers, can see what you're doing online. Top VPNs, NordVPN, super fast and reliable, ExpressVPN. Great for beginners, Mulvad, no personal info, required maximum anonymity. Step 5. Change your web browser. Chrome and Safari? Nope, they track you. Instead, use Brave, blocks ads and trackers, automatically Tor browser. Ultimate anonymity, perfect for journalists and activists. Step 6. Ditch Google search. Google collects tons of data on you. Instead, try DuckDuckGo, no tracking, no creepy ads, start page Google results, but private. Want to learn more about protecting your digital life? At OneConnect, we offer expert digital skills training to help you. Secure your personal data. You use privacy-focused tools. Stay ahead in the digital world. Check out our affordable courses and digital resources. Digital security training, website design and maintenance, IT skills for businesses and individuals. Click the links below to start protecting yourself today. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. We want to hear from you. What are your best data security tips? Comment below. Stay safe, stay secure, and see you next time.